Now, Rwanda, the second of the Rwanda teams. We've already had Rwanda team 2. They went round in 3 minutes 12. Here's Rwanda team 1. Just cruise, don't they? Over those obstacles. They're a joy to watch, Rwanda. They're like cats. Up and over the ladder. Sniper is struggling to get that rifle from around his neck. I think he just got snagged on the strap a little bit, but no harm done. As we wait the first shot, which will be the indicator for the assaulters. There it is, and there they go. Just inside the top left of that first target on the left-hand side, so he's gone from left to right. There's the second. Four from 4. That's okay. Sniper's done. There goes the tractor tire. Meanwhile, as they are doing that, their colleagues are already getting strapped in and clipped on to make the journey across the water bath. He's onto the zip line. His teammate has got to go with him, which he does. No problems there. Here come the others. This is a good time. We've just crossed the 2-minute mark. And they're going to comfortably come home quicker than their Team 2 colleagues, remember, who did it in 3 minutes 12 earlier on today. As they sprint round the corner, Rwanda Team 1 heading for the finish line. And the clock is stopped in 2.